today. Got out of the heat of the valley and up to this 60 degrees, maybe 50 degrees area of the peak here. We're about 9,000 feet. This is a spot where I thought I might talk to you about what I cook with here. I've been a diehard Jetboil user throughout all of my travels, and I've sold off a lot of stuff, and I went to buy some back, and I thought, well, that's a lot of money for me, at least, to go through and spend. So I looked for an alternative, and I found one made by a company called Fire Maple. I'm sure it's a Chinese type of approach to what Jetboil has been trying to do, but I decided to go that route because it's less than half the amount of money that I would otherwise be spending. So I've got a couple items here, one which replicates the Jetboil. It goes through and boils water within 90 seconds, just like a Jetboil would. Has all the adjustment as far as the gas is concerned, and a piezo lighter. The piezo lighter on this has yet to fail me. Every Jetboil I've had, the piezo lighter gives up the ghost after about 12 dozen lights or so. But this one so far is going strong. I find this on Amazon. This was less than, this is about $50 if I recall, as opposed to the Jetboil version of that, which is about twice the amount of money. For open cooking, I use this about a 9-inch pan by Fire Maple as well. Has a collapsible handle on it that makes it pack easy here in the cabinetry that I have in the truck. And it's very stout. I really like this pan a lot for my proteins. I can also saute with this and does really well. Fire Maple also makes a standalone stove this way, a burner with a remote gas canister on that, and that's what I use to go through and cook with. So this has been a good value for me. I haven't given up anything as far as my ability to cook and to dial in the temperatures that I want, especially for the cooktop, and for half the amount of money there. So Fire Maple on Amazon. Take a look and see what you think there. And I don't mean to take away business from Jetboil. I really like what they've been able to do over the years. I've been using them for at least 15 years now. But to go through and retool after I've sold everything, this wasn't in the cards for me to do. One other thing that I want to talk about is an enclosure that I have for the Vanadium. They're just a couple of towels. They're 70-inch by 35 inches, two of them, and they have magnets in each corner of the towel, and they allow me to put them up on the sheet metal of the Vanadium. Now, with the Vanadium's suicide doors, I can go through and create a changing area, an area of privacy. I can shower, do whatever I need to do there, and they work out really well. They pack up nice, and if I ever need an extra towel, I've got two of them here, in addition to the ones that I keep on the Vanadium. So thanks for watching Utah ADV. I'm Eric Young, and if you like what you see, let me know. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. As I hit the road in September, I'm going to try to up my content production, and therefore hopefully up my viewer content and my durations of how people watch, so we can start monetizing on this and maybe make a living on the road, so to speak. So if you want to contribute to that, all you got to do is subscribe and watch. Okay? Thanks.